In this video, I'll be showing you how you insert a chat on Microsoft Word. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to insert a chat here, whether a bar chart, pie chart, anything. Yeah. So I put my cursor here. Yeah. And what I'm going to do is I move to these tabs on top here and I tap on the insert here. And you should see the chat here. Good. If you don't see it like this here, mine is 2024 Word, but then any version of Word you are using, you should see something like this, which is chat. At the insert, tap on that. Good. And I have the options here. You can see there's a column 1. Select any of them that you prefer. So let me select this one. This is what we mostly use in school. Yeah, but this is a line 1. This is a pie. This is a bar. Area. It's up to you. Let me select the column like that. And now you tap on OK. Good. It should appear here, and then you see the data here. You have an Excel file here to edit it. So now let me drag the Excel file on top, so when I make the changes, you guys can grab it. And just like I said in my other videos, anytime you open, let's say something on Word, it takes you to a design tab. Yeah. So you can see the design tab here. You can change the color of the chart. You get me? When I'm done with that, I'll talk about this here, Excel here. And you can change the colors. You have a quick layout here. You can do that as well, you see. Yeah. And that's it. I think I've talked about the design. And now let's try to edit the data. So you see, it's like Excel. I have tutorials on Excel too on my channel, so you can check that out. So let me make it 6. Right, you see it has changed here. 6 has changed here, and then let me make this one to 6 so you guys see the change roll. Double tap so you get access to the cell. Normal Excel vibe, and another 6 on top as well. Good. So if you want to delete a row, you just tap on it like this, just like Excel. Right click, delete it, it should vanish. Now it's left with 2. Now let's tap on this to delete the C, and it should vanish. And to insert, you put your cursor there and you try to insert a row, and you type in your whatever you want for them. Hey, it should be letters, this should be numbers. Let me give them some fake data. 5, and you see all of them do appear here now. That's it. 5 also appear. So that's it. After that, you close it. But I'm back. Sorry. So to reopen it, you just double tap. Sorry, this is the text effect. To reopen it, you tap on something like this, and then you tap on the edit, and you can change the style and everything. So to reopen it, you tap like this and you edit the data. Right click and tap on edit data. It should pop up. It comes back again. Yeah. And now this for design and all that, you can do that, and you can also give it a name. Yeah, let me make it bigger. You can add a name to it. Add a name to the chat, right? So you can give it maybe Michael's chat or something chat. It's up to you. You see, because it's too long, that's why it has come at the bottom here. But then if you have small data, you can add it there. Now let's try a different one. Let's try a pie chart or something like that. So let's come to the insert tab again. To delete it, just put your cursor on it like this and then tap on the back button. Backspace. We are on a chart. Let's try to add a pie chart rather. Let's select this type of pie chart. Okay. And it's here. So we have some Excel 2 data as well. So we can just do our editing, remove and the rest. Yeah. And we've added a pie chart. So it's up to you. So just like I was saying, the name, you double tap it here, and the channel's name is KBrother Subs, and then you can add analysis. You are done, and you have it here. You can design that by changing the text color and all that, the font size and everything. That's it on how you add chats and edit them on Microsoft Word. Talked about everything. So if you are new here, just give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.